Welcome to Genius Brainbox. "15 seconds for each question. For each correct answer, you will get 1 point. Are you ready? Let's start.
What happens to water quality if chemicals from industries are not removed? They make the water cleaner. They can harm people and wildlife. They have no effect. According to the text, how many liters of water represent all water on earth? 100 liters, 10 liters, 1 liter. How many milliliters represent available fresh water on earth? 1 milliliter, 100 milliliters, 10 milliliters. What word does the text use to describe fresh water's limited availability? Scarce, abundant, renewable. What can proper drainage systems help prevent? Water stagnation and disease. Flooding, droughts. What is the purpose of bubbling air through the sample in the wastewater experiment? To simulate the smell of wastewater to make the water safe to drink. To mimic the aeration process in treatment plants. Which water sample would likely have the worst smell? Sample 2, after aeration. Sample 3, filtered. Sample 1, before treatment. What is the most likely purpose of a bar screen in a treatment plant? To remove chlorine, to remove large objects, to add beneficial bacteria. Which disease is not commonly caused by untreated wastewater? Cholera, malaria, flu. What type of drainage system is designed to handle wastewater from an individual home? Septic tank, contour trench, check dam. What is the primary difference between sewage and wastewater? Wastewater is safe to drink. Sewage is found in homes, wastewater in factories. Sewage contains waste products. Wastewater can be clean. What is a likely result of pouring untreated wastewater into a river? The river water becomes cleaner. Fish populations may decline. The river will smell better. In the experiment, what does the sand filter represent? the biological process of treatment, the physical process of treatment, the chemical process of treatment. Which of these is a common symptom of waterborne diseases? Fever, muscle aches, diarrhea. How can Ramu's village prevent water from becoming stagnant? Build more houses, construct a proper drainage system, release more wastewater. Which type of drainage system is likely to be covered? Open drain, contour, trench, septic tank. What is the purpose of a septic tank? To purify water for drinking, to store and partially treat household wastewater to improve the smell of sewage. According to the text, how does Mary's family conserve water? By showering for longer periods, by fixing leaks and reusing water, by ignoring water waste. What is the purpose of a contour trench? To prevent soil erosion, to dispose of household waste, to store drinking water. What is activated sludge? A type of chemical used in treatment. Bacteria-rich material used in treatment. A large type of fish.
If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel.
What is the likely order of events in the experiment? Filter, add chlorine, arate, add chlorine, arate, filter, arate, filter, add chlorine. What is the purpose of adding chlorine to wastewater? To make it smell better, to kill harmful bacteria, to remove large objects. Why is chlorine an important part of the wastewater treatment process? It removes unpleasant color. It helps clean the filter. It prevents the spread of disease. What would happen if the chlorine tablet was added before aeration in the experiment? It would be less effective. It would not change the results. It would make the water cleaner. Untreated sewage can contain dangerous chemicals, small animals, bacteria. good way to conserve water, turning off taps when not in use. Taking shorter showers, leaving leaking taps unfixed. What did the people of Nalavali village do to improve their water situation? Built a rock-filled dam, poured wastewater into the river, dug a septic tank. The word contaminants in the text refers to large floating object substances that make water unsafe, substances that make water smell bad. A percolation tank is designed to allow water to seep into the ground, store large amounts of wastewater, kill bacteria in wastewater. What is the first step in the treatment of wastewater? Adding chlorine, removing large objects with a bar screen using activated sludge. Which of these is not a type of wastewater? Industrial wastewater, storm runoff, rainwater falling on a roof. Which of these actions would likely conserve the least amount of water? Turning off the tap while brushing teeth, washing a small load of laundry, taking a quick shower. Which of these is likely to use the most water? Flushing a toilet, drinking a glass of water, washing your hands. Why might homes without access to a treatment plant use septic tanks? To make wastewater safe for drinking, to partially treat wastewater on site to make sewage smell better. What is a possible negative consequence if a septic tank is not maintained properly? It might overflow and contaminate the area. It will stop working entirely. It will make the water too clean. Which of these will likely increase the amount of wastewater a household generates? Having more people living in the house, using water-efficient appliances, fixing leaks around the home. Which of these materials would likely be removed by the grit chamber in a treatment plant? Bacteria, sand-dissolved chemicals, open. Drains can be a problem because they can attract mosquitoes and flies, improve the smell of the area, make water cleaner. What is one way that individuals can help improve water quality in their area? Dispose of chemicals properly. Drive less frequently, use more fertilizer on gardens. The success of the Nala Valley village in improving their water supply demonstrates the importance of community cooperation, ignoring water problems, building expensive infrastructure,
Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Goodbye.